What do you want, Jordan?
Jordan! It was the first day of school.
Come here.
Froggy woke up and looked up.
I was trying to ditch something.
The sun was high in the sky. Oh no, the bus, he cried.
He said that
missed the bus.
There's one more for him.
He hopped out of bed and flopped outside. Flop, flop, flop. The school bus was leaving. Wait, wait, he yelled and took a mighty hop. The bus hissed to a stop and the door.
Bye, Jordan. See you later. See you later, Jordan.
Fold open. Froggy flopped out up the
What are we doing?
Flop, flop, flop.
Are you reading?
Yes.
What's that face for?
Yeah.
But what's the face for?
I don't know.
How was school?
Good.
What did you do?
PE, math, science. We had a new substitute. She gave me Smarties.
Who?
We had a new substitute. She gave me Smarties.
Smarties?
Smarties.
Smarties? She gave you candy?
Yes.
Why would she give you candy?
Because we did good.
Oh, okay.
Okay, can I go to my book?
Go ahead.
Flop, flop, flop. But when he erased the top, principal had to
Awesome. That's a good way to teach her how to read, Daddy.
Yeah.
But
Right, Mama?
where's your lunchbox and baseball
I think so.
Jordan, what are you doing?
Oh, Froggy, will you?
I'm trying to look at some pictures.
That's right.
Honey, that was not nice. He's about to read.
Read Frog.
Right, Jordan? You're about to read, right? Jordan, you can read the book, honey. Can you see what I see? Oh, okay.
You find things.
You're supposed to find a book with words. You're not 3 years old. You need books with words.
I'm coming back.
Alright, bye.
I have to get another book.
That's my little reader right there. Hi, guys. I know I'm looking rough. I don't know why I always come on camera and look rough. Let me fix my hair. That looks better, right? I took the braid out of here. So it looks like I'm bald headed, but I took the braid out. But anyways, we are moving on to cycle 2. We have decided to move on to cycle 2, and I have some stuff that I want to share with you guys that I bought. So I went on and I got me this guy. So this is the Clear Blue. This is the Clear Blue Advanced Ovulation Test Kit, and it has 10 tests in here, and it says monthly supply right here. This little guy right here, monthly supply, and it's supposed to tell you 2 times a day versus other tests. So what you get in this box is, let me turn it around. Okay. My toes, my daughter, little toes. She paints her own toes. Can you believe it, guys? Paints her own toes.
Something
Alright, move your little foot out of. So, what comes in this little box, the Clear Blue, is so it's the Clear Blue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test. And it says number 1 OBGYN recommended brand. It's supposed to be 99% accurate. So you get 1 little digital thingy, and of course you get the 10 strips. So you're supposed to go off of. It's supposed to go off of this little pamphlet in there that tells you your cycle, the length of your cycle, and when you actually start. And then in here I purchased these. Hi, honey.
Really?
Honey, we have to catch that echo for me to pee on. I love to pee on a stick.
I know.
You know I love
peeing
peeing on stick.
somebody.
Yeah, I would love to pee on. I'm not peeing on anyone. I haven't peed on you, have I? No.
That's a lie.
Did I pee on you?
Yes, you did.
When?
In the shower.
I I do not be you in the shower. You're such a liar. Anyways, I got these off of Amazon, and they are the strips, and this is how bad. I took one last night for no reason. Damn well I was not pregnant, but there's 25 in here, 25 pregnancy tests in here, and so yeah, we're ready for next cycle. So, are you ready for baby sister or baby brother?
Baby sister.
Baby sister. What happened if it's a boy? What happens if it's a boy? What do I do with it if it's a boy?
I don't know.
You wouldn't want it if it's a boy?
I want a girl.
But what if it's a boy? I don't have the choice to pick and choose. What if it's a boy?
I don't want
like
it.
Jackson.
I don't want it. Boys cry.
So do girls.
Girls don't cry too
Yes, they
much.
do. You cried when you were a baby.
Well,
How would you know? You're the only girl around here.
Because someone made me cry.
No one made you cry. Girls do cry as babies. I mean, what do I do with it if it's a boy? Are you gonna love it just as much?
Before Thanksgiving, no.
Yes, you are.
Girl.
But if it's a boy, you're gonna love it. You loved Jackson when he came, and you still to this late day love Jackson.
Yeah, but he always controls the remote.
But you love him. But you love him though.
Yes, I do.
Okay then. So you would love another brother too, right?
That is 1 year when Henry
She is into her books.
Because Henry did not like Aunt Sally. She talks too much, Henry thought. She eats too much.
Alright, I'll leave you alone.
She hugs.
Your face is upside down. What are you looking at? Oh my gosh, babe, your words and language is just
I'm sorry.
out of this place. What are you doing?
You want to clean up with the kids?
Ow, stop itching. Stop scratching my foot. What are you going to do?
Go help the kids clean up.
That's it? You're not going to return those pants I bought you?
You return those pants you bought me.
No.
I hate shopping.
You return them and get the right one.
I
I
hate
don't
shopping.
wanna...
Look, more ants.
There's more ants on the bed?
Where?
Jordan, why is there more ants on our bed?
I have no idea.
Look right
Did
there.
you bring ants to our bed, Jordan? Jordan, did you bring that?
Now make sure
What are you
smash
doing?
it. Now it's on you.
What are you doing?
Now it's on you. Look at your neck. It's on your neck. What? Look. I got it. Oh, no, it fell down. Look. You smashed it. Look, another one. Look, another one, Jordan. Look at that. Shake your head, shake your head. Shake your head.
Why?
Stop, but why don't y'all get out of here? Jordan, you and your father go outside, please.
I see another one, Jordan.
Where?
Right here, look.
I don't know where he gets that from. That's not funny. Please, get out of here, guys. Please go, bye.
Can you play American Girls with me?
I'm not playing the American Girl with you.
It's so hot in here.
But why not? Your hair needs to be washed.
Jordan, let's
Your hair
continue.
needs to wash.
Let's continue.
What are you guys continuing?
The cleaning.
Oh, okay. Alright, bye. Go clean with Daddy.
Please come help me. I'm tired. I'm exhausted.
Alright, I'm coming.
Alright.